各位紐約朋友，成日聽地道 American Idioms 聽到一頭霧水。今日 Sally's 同地道紐約拍檔姑姑幫大家拆解，想學最傳神嘅對照，即刻開始。
Man, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today.
佢話佢 under the weather，唔係話佢喺天氣下面，係話今日個人有啲唔對路，或者係個人唔多聚財。
Exactly. I just feel a bit sick. NYC is so expensive. I can barely make ends meet.
佢話 make ends meet，即係我哋廣東話講嘅搵食艱難，即係啱啱夠過活。
Rent is no joke, Sellies. Don't worry about the bill, I'll pick up the tab.
哇，咁豪爽！佢話 pick up the tab， 意思係呢餐我埋單，簡單講即係我請。
You got it. My treat.
學識咗呢幾句，下次同紐約客傾偈就唔會再雞同鴨講啦。
Make sure to subscribe for more tips.
記得訂閱 New York and You SNG， 下集見，拜拜。
Bye bye.